Hello everyone, this is Hamilton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about SAE and Scopus publications in Elsevier journals less than 1 month. Once we have drafted our manuscript, we will be looking for higher-end journals such as Web of Science and Scopus indexed journals for publication. And of course, we will be looking for journals which will offer decision in a short period of time, because we may not have the patience enough to wait for long period of time, that is several months of time, to get the decision. And if the decision is negative, we will be very sad. Today we are going to see some of the Elsevier journals which are indexed in SAE and Scopus that offers the decision less than 1 month. Before get into the topic, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Now let us get into the topic. So in Google Chrome, just I type Elsevier fast publication in computer science. So as I belong to computer science, I have given computer science. I have searched for computer science. You can also search for other subjects such as mathematics, material science, and etc. See here you can find a link fast publication in computer science. Similarly, you can find fast publication for journals in mathematics. Look at here, journals in materials science. Similarly, based on your subject, you can search and you can get the fast publication journals from elsewhere. So just I click this link. Yeah, see here, list of computer science journals are listed here, and the time is given here in week, that is first decision, submission to first decision in weeks. For example, ad hoc networks, this journal takes 12.49 weeks from submission to first decision. So just look at here, this journal takes 2.35 weeks of time. So look at here, another journal, computer law and security review. So it takes 1.24 weeks of time to get the decision from submission, that is first decision. Similarly, you can find many journals. So among these journals, I have chosen 4 journals which offers fastest decision, that is less than 1 month. Now we will look into the journals one by one. The first one is Telematics and Informatics. So it is a Web of Science indexed journal, that is SAE. See here, impact factor is 3.714, as well as it is also indexed in Scopus and the site score is 4.94. Look at here, the time to first decision, 2.5 weeks. So just within 2.5 weeks of time, we can get the decision after submission, whether the paper is accepted or rejected or revision, whatever it may be, we will be getting the first decision within 2.5 weeks of time. And what are the types of research articles accepted in this journal? So mostly all the computer science based research articles are accepted in this journal. So just look at here, this journal accepts research articles in the impacts of digital technologies, and various application models that are accepted are, see here, smart cities, sensors and information fusion, the digital society and digital platforms, Internet of Things, cyber physical technologies, privacy, knowledge management, distributed work, emergency response, and mobile and wireless communication, and etc. See here, health informatics, blockchain, e-commerce and e-government. So almost all the areas of computer science are accepted in this journal. So the computer science researchers can submit a research article to this journal, that is Telematics and Informatics, and you can expect the decision within 2.5 weeks of time, which is less than 1 month. Now we will see another journal. So that is Computers and Graphics. So this journal is also indexed in SAE Web of Science. See the impact factor 1.302. It is also indexed in Scopus. See here, site score 1.86. So it gives the decision, that is time to first decision, just 3.4 weeks of time, which is less than a month. So this channel accepts research articles in the area of computer graphics. Almost all the research articles in the field of computer graphics are accepted in this channel. So computer science researchers can make use of this channel and they can expect the decision within 3.4 weeks of time. Now we will move into the another channel, that is computers and electrical engineering. So it is also Web of Science, that is SAE indexed journal. See the impact factor 2.189. It is also indexed in Scopus. See the site score 3.02. And the time to first decision is 3.6 weeks of time. That is less than a month. So this channel accepts research articles in the field of computers and electrical engineering. So the researchers of computer science and electrical engineering researchers can make use of this channel and they can expect the decision within 3.6 weeks of time. Now we will see another journal, that is Journal of Computational Science. So it is also SAE indexed journal. See the impact factor 2.502. It is also indexed in Scopus. See the site score 3.27. See the time to first decision 3.0 weeks of time, which is also less than a month. So this channel accepts research articles in the field of computational science. So I have just taken these 4 channels which offers first decision, that is submission to first decision, that is less than a month. The researchers can make use of this channel for publication of their research articles. Here I have listed the channels in the field of computer science and electrical engineering. Depending upon your subject, you can choose the channel which provides the decision, that is first decision less than a month, and you can submit the research paper. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you may like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.